Well, she has to go out
You
anyway.
want to get him, Maxie? You want to get him?
All right, let her out. See what she does.
Get him. Get him. She don't know she...
Oh, she's after him. I don't know where she went. Birds were everywhere, though.
Department of Police let me shoot their guns one time. They were so thick over by my mom's house.
Yeah.
We were shooting flares into them. They were so thick. It was right at the edge of the woods, and they were just sitting in the trees and dropping. So it'd be like white birds everywhere.
There she goes. Oh, she's after him. She fought. Look. Yeah, she must have run him off. Look. Good, good. We want her to. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Yeah, go to the neighbors. Where did she go?
Taking pictures or video?
I'm videoing. Where is she?
I guess I'll cook us some stew too. This thing right here.
Where? Call her, Savannah.
Why are there so many birds?
I don't know.
Aren't they supposed to be in the south?
Here she comes. She chased off the bird.